everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome to the House of Jane. Today I am going to unbox a brand new box for me. It is called the Kinder Box. I purchased a 6-month subscription and I think I got a really good deal. At least I hope I did. For 6 months I paid $117.30. So that averages to $19.50 a box, which I thought is a good deal. So let's check it out. Just opened it, as you can see. And as a new subscriber, they said I was going to get a $75 add-on for free. So like a welcome gift. So I'm thinking this is my welcome gift. It is called, it's by Plantioxidants, Cucumber and Kale Juice Mask, intensely hydrating, and it's 2.5 fluid ounces. See a little piece of kale there. Is this good enough to eat? I don't think so, but obviously it's a face product. It is cruelty-free and vegan. And you put it on your face and it will result in lovely skin. Right. I hope so. I'm willing to try it. So that's the first product. Let's open the Kinder box. Get it out of the box. Here it is. Kinder. It's a really cute box. It says Kinder Beauty Box. Kinder is a all-natural subscription box. Let's see what the card says. And this box that I'm opening, all new subscribers get. And then afterwards, for the next 5 months, I will get the regular monthly box that all other subscribers get. So here's the card. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in addition to this one. And the first thing on top is a glow makeup remover. It is looks like a little thing you put on your hand, or you can probably put your hand in it. It's a little it's like a little innovative fiber technology reusable pad for 1 to 3 months. So you just add water and you remove the makeup at the end of the day and you will have glowing skin. That's what the claim is. So that's the first product. Lovely. And that's actually worth 13 bucks. Kind of pricey, but hey, it's Kinder. Here is the next product. It is by Fleur & Bee and it's called Eyes Baby Eye Cream. It's an anti-aging firming product, 0.6 ounces. This looks like a full size and this retails for $22. I'm trying to open it without, oh good, I didn't want to rip the box. Check it out. I'm going to share a code with you. If you want to order from fleurandbee.com, you can take $10 off with coupon code 10, T-E-N. My gift to you guys. And here is the eye cream. I love eye cream. I put eye cream on all the time, every night. It's part of my beauty skin routine. So there we go, product 2. Then we have these little eye masky thingies. This is probably just for one use. Its retail value is $7 and it's called 100% Pure Bright Eyes. Oh, I can see it's like in little liquid in there. So you put this on your eyes and God, I cannot read this print. I'm thinking, doesn't say here, but I'm thinking you wear it for like 10 minutes do some meditation or play solitaire and get your eyes done. So there we go, bright eyes. And the last product is an Ultra Night Serum by Dirty Lamb, and it's 1 fluid ounces. It says you want to look like you slept a full 8 hours. Yeah, I do. Then you put this oil on your face, pat it into, it says you only need to apply 2 to 3 drops before bed. So you put the oil there, you warm between your palms, and just touch your whole face. And you're gonna wake up feeling like $1,000,000. It really doesn't smell like anything. It certainly doesn't smell like a Dirty Lamb. But again, I am willing to try it. And hopefully it does wonders for my over 50 skin. Yes, I am over 50. I haven't never disclosed my age to you guys, but I will tell you I am over 50. So this is my natural skin. So let's do a quick recap. Got the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum, love. I got the Floor and Bee Eye Cream, full size. Got these little Bright Eyes eye rejuvenators right under here. Put them on. And got the, here we go, the Glow Makeup Remover little loofah thingy. And my welcome gift. This is supposedly probably worth 75 bucks because it said it was on their ad that the welcome gift was $75. So we'll see how this goes. This is a juice mask. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be a doll and like and subscribe. I love when I get new subscribers. And I would just love to know what's on your mind. What did you think about the box? What did you think about my video? I can tell you that when I watch these videos over again, which I don't really like to do too much, but I say a lot of I have to stop that. It's not easy making videos. There I did it again. For you people that don't make videos, I have to tell you, it is not easy making videos. Once you get the lighting right, the focusing right, I still have to talk. So I'm trying my hardest, and trying not to say those unnecessary words. So again, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, and I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Oops, I forgot to show you guys something in the video. I was looking at the comment card, and guess what? There's a little eyeshadow in here. I totally bypassed it. It's called Medusa's Makeup, and it's eye dust. The color is Pennywise, and it's coppery. This will bring out the blues and the greens in us blue-eyed people. So I'm interested in trying this. I love powders. I can tell I'll use this sparingly because I don't want to look like a freakazoid, but it is a really pretty color, and I'll wear it in the next video. Take care. Bye.